You should all know that diet is the most important thing when trying to build your desired physique. And to hit your protein intake for the day, you don't get much better than lean chicken breast. Now the only problem is that it can be dry and horrible, especially if you're cooking for several days. So what I'm going to show you is how I cook chicken breast so it stays tasting good even after several days. What you're going to want to do is preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 6. What you're then going to want to do is get your frozen chicken breast and place it onto a baking tray. So next thing you want to do is you want to cover the chicken in 1 calorie olive oil spray. Reason for this is it's going to help keep the chicken moist, and it's also going to help the seasoning stick to it. As you probably guessed, the next step is to cover it in your seasoning. So I normally choose salt, pepper, and then either paprika or garlic, but it's entirely up to you. If you're trying to stay lean, then do be mindful of the seasonings that you use. What you're then going to want to do is cover the tray in tin foil and make sure that you seal up all around the sides. Once you've done that, poke holes in the top of it because we want to allow some of the moisture to escape. We don't want to keep it all inside and end up boiling the chicken, because then what will happen is it will become soggy and horrible. It will also take forever to cook. Then simply place the tray into the middle of the oven and leave it there for 50 minutes. Then all you simply do is take it out the oven, leave to stand for a couple of minutes, and then enjoy. Thank you for watching. I normally do home workout videos on this channel, so something a little bit different today. I hope you found it useful. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to see what else I get up to, please go and check out my other videos. Hopefully see you in the next one.